Hello guys, this tutorials will help you to building chat message applications in real device. So we are doing some steps or points for considerations based, just pointing to chat window hierarchy layout configurations point of views or handling sendings or receiving message graphs and also implementations bottom chat message sending layout systems also scaling points of views all message scaling tops to bottoms and bottoms to tops and also dotting animations effects blinging points of views when users trying to send messages in that case showing indicator reflections case point behalf ecosystem so figure 1.0 see all details of message hierarchy in case of receiving and sending point of views. Here just pointing to dotting indicators reflections point of views and doing codings flow inside body by handlings by using default code in swiftUI points of views in case of reflections of dottings behaviors of timer settings. Timings point case based when activity is open, so on appear methods callings after that timer execution is starting based on puttings timing conditions for reflections case of dottings view layout. So figure 1.1 inside see that all UI implementations according UI code or doing logics for handlings or reflections of dottings indicators buttons. Chat message write UI layout configurations, also handling message positions conditions, accordings or doing configurations by using message ID point ways. So figure 1.2 points to message box layouts or positions at right side flow waste. Here all above things same but only changing message positions or handling ID behalf case flow point waste. So figures 1.2, figure 1.3 same but positions based direction changing different left side layout configurations or others using default properties for handling message overview. Here just pointing to scrolling effect case of message for handling rotations flow conditions point ways. So inside body using scroll view as per all message scrolling point case based or automatically rotations behave using on changing publishers calling random based or list scrolling automatically top to bottom flow of message point of view. So figure 1.4 inside check all message flowing systems. Here pointing to chat message window using defaults variables for handling all message settings flow case or doing implementations of bottoms layout in case of sending messages as per user input tags points conditions flow accordings or using right side button in case of sending message. So figure 1.5 see all message flow layout. Here just condition checking message sendings or receiving configurations by using booleans keyword point of views and all message list display left and right layouts point of view. So figure 1.6 see window of message list. Here all configurations of view models point case and using defaults array for handlings all state, sending receiving message inside main source of containers and also putting data according to that. So figure 1.7 see all conditions configurations based. Here just moderating data flow behave of typing case remove states or checking last case of message system. So figure 1.8 see that data point systems. Here flow of data models and configurations according to that declaring variables for handling positions conditions point of views. So figure 1.9 inside see that all state of data declarations.